The global cybersecurity landscape is facing a severe crisis due to an alarming shortage of skilled professionals. As cyber threats become increasingly sophisticated and frequent, the demand for cybersecurity expertise has skyrocketed across sectors like government, finance, healthcare, and critical infrastructure. Welcome to VAR India News Hour. The shortage of cybersecurity professionals is a critical issue worldwide, particularly in Asia Pacific and North America. In Australia, for example, only 11,000 specialized cybersecurity experts make up just 3% of ICT workers. This gap is evident in regions like North America, Europe, India, and Africa, leaving businesses vulnerable. The Asia Pacific region, home to some of the world's fastest growing digital economies, faces one of the most pressing cybersecurity talent gaps. Countries like Australia, Singapore, and India are grappling with a shortage of experts capable of defending critical infrastructure and large enterprises from increasingly sophisticated cyber attacks. Despite being a tech hub, India, with its massive digital economy, is also struggling to keep pace as cybersecurity education and certification programs fail to match the rising demand. In North America, the cybersecurity workforce shortage is particularly pronounced in the United States and Canada, where organizations face an increasingly complex cyber threat landscape. The US alone is estimated to have a deficit of over 500,000 cybersecurity professionals. Many companies, especially small and medium sized enterprises, are unable to hire adequate talent to secure their operations. Similarly, Europe is facing a growing shortage of cybersecurity professionals, with countries like Germany, the UK, and France reporting significant workforce gaps. Compliance with stricter data privacy laws such as GDPR has increased the pressure on companies to hire cybersecurity talent, but supply is lagging behind the demand. In Africa, where digital infrastructure is expanding rapidly, the lack of cybersecurity professionals is even more concerning. As more countries in Africa embrace digital transformation, the region faces a significant challenge in securing its networks, systems, and data due to a lack of local expertise. Relying on general IT staff to handle advanced cybersecurity threats is indeed unsustainable in the long run. Cyber threats are becoming more sophisticated, and it requires specialized knowledge, tools, and expertise to effectively mitigate these risks. Let's look into today's headlines. Jio warns users to report fraud calls originated from international numbers. Reliance Jio has issued a strong advisory urging its users to stay cautious of fraudulent calls and messages originating from international numbers, particularly those starting with the +92 country code. In a message sent to customers, the company highlighted a growing trend where scammers are impersonating law enforcement officials to extract personal details or money from unsuspecting individuals. Jio further said that the scam aims to exploit people's trust in authority. AWS selects 7 Indian startups for its Global Generative AI Accelerator program. Amazon Web Services, that is AWS, has announced that 7 generative AI startups from India have been selected for its AWS Global Generative Artificial Intelligence Accelerator program. The selected Indian companies are among the 80 companies that AWS selected from around the world for innovative use of AI. India also has the highest number of startups selected from a country in the Asia Pacific and Japan region for the program. Salesforce announces its suite of autonomous AI agents called Agent Force. Salesforce has unveiled Agent Force, a groundbreaking suite of autonomous AI agents that augment employees and handle tasks in service, sales, marketing, and commerce, driving unprecedented efficiency and customer satisfaction. Agent Force enables companies to scale their workforces on demand with a few clicks. Its limitless digital workforce of AI agents can analyze data, make decisions, and take action on tasks like answering customer service inquiries, qualifying sales leads, and optimizing marketing campaigns. Apple iOS 18 adds activation lock to camera, battery, and more to prevent stolen iPhone parts from being resold. With the release of iOS 18, Apple is said to have taken additional precautions against theft by expanding the use of its activation lock function to specific iPhone components. This upgrade links particular components like batteries, cameras, and displays to the original owner's Apple account in an effort to prevent the resale of parts from stolen iPhones. It is accessible to developers and public beta testers. Google is testing new AI feature that can turn users' notes into a podcast. Google is experimenting with a feature that will allow users to turn their research notes into an AI generated podcast. The feature will be available within the AI powered note taking app Notebook LM. Titled Audio Overview, the functionality can summarize material, make connections between topics, and banter back and forth. The tech giant has said that the feature can turn any documents into an engaging audio discussion between two AI hosts with a single click. That's all for now. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to VAR India magazine. You can download the VAR India app from Google Play Store and Apple App Store for more news and updates. Stay tuned. Thank you.